The Taliban make their most dramatic gains yet against Afghan government forces and claim to have taken the country's second largest city, Kandahar. As the security situation deteriorates, thousands of US and British troops are being sent back to help evacuate American and UK nationals. The heir of Samsung, Lee Jae-yong, has been released from prison and is now on parole. The 53-year-old de facto leader of South Korea's largest conglomerate was convicted of bribery and other charges and has served 207 days in prison, just over half the sentence. And outside prison, he apologised for causing concern to the people. The authorities in northern Germany have asked more than 8,000 people to repeat their COVID jabs because a nurse is suspected of having injected saline solution instead of the vaccine. Now, police are investigating whether the nurse gave saline jabs in more than just the 6 cases she's admitted to. The United Nations says it's alarmed by the plight of civilians caught up in fighting in southern Syria, where the government is confronting armed opposition forces there. The UN envoy for Syria said the hostilities in the Dara al-Balad area had included heavy shelling. US border agents say they detained more than 212,000 migrants trying to enter the country from Mexico last month. It's the highest monthly figure in 20 years. Almost half of those stopped at the border have been expelled from the US under special regulations introduced to curb the spread of coronavirus.
COVID cases are surging in the United States as the Delta variant spreads in what health professionals there are calling an epidemic of the unvaccinated. But the sharp increase in hospitalizations and deaths is nearly all concentrated in southern states, where vaccine take-up has been virtually half the national average.